Have you ever had a spot in your mouth that you really need to clean with a toothbrush, but it was just too tight or narrow of an area for a toothbrush to reach? Maybe you could floss it, but the floss is so narrow that it doesn't seem to grab as much of the plaque or food that gets caught in that space. Enter interdental brushes. Hi everyone, I'm Joyce the Dentist, and today I'm going to tell you about a very special oral hygiene aid that not a lot of people know about, or they've seen and aren't sure how to use. I'm talking about interdental brushes. An interdental brush is a small hygiene aid that's specifically made to clean between areas that are narrow but still wide enough that you need something bigger than floss to clean. They come in various shapes and sizes. Most of the time, interdental brushes look like a small tapered Christmas tree, and sometimes they're just straight, like someone cut off the end of a pipe cleaner. They're basically tiny little brushes with bristles on them. They're about half the width of a pencil, give or take. Interdental brushes are made so that you can safely clean tight areas without damaging the gums or any fixed dental work. I like to have my patients use them when they're in braces to clean between their brackets and under their arch wires. This significantly helps cut down on the risk of having white circles on their teeth when their braces come off. Another time I recommend interdental brushes is when someone has wide contacts or gum recession with these wider black triangle spaces between their teeth. Those narrow areas are known for catching a lot of plaque, so using an interdental brush allows you to basically sweep out any buildup before it calcifies into tartar or starts forming a cavity. You can also use interdental brushes underneath dental bridges when there's space between the bridge and your gums. This allows you to clean under the side of the bridge, stimulate your gum tissue, and brush the inside surfaces of the supporting teeth. Simply put, it's like a miniature toothbrush that you can use to clean spaces a toothbrush cannot. Like a toothbrush, you want to use an interdental brush at least twice a day to remove the plaque from your teeth. You don't necessarily need to put toothpaste on it, but you can use it right after you brush to help move the toothpaste into those spaces so that they get the extra fluoride exposure. You're probably wondering, can you use an interdental brush instead of floss? The answer is no. Since an interdental brush doesn't clean in between the teeth where the floss snaps through, you're gonna still need to use floss to clean those areas. If you skip over them, you can still develop cavities. As far as styles go, interdental brushes come in various designs and sizes. Some actually have a handle that's about the same length as a standard toothbrush. The end has a small clip on it where you can insert the actual interdental brush. This option is easy to hold, and you can purchase packs of the interdental brushes that you want. Plus, you can just rinse it off, put it in your toothbrush holder, and reuse it a few times before disposing the brush portion and replacing it with a new one. Another popular style of interdental brushes are the ones with a small handle, sort of like what you would see with disposable floss picks. This style comes in a little multi-pack. They're disposable, but you can use them at least a few times if you rinse them off and dry them between uses. The great thing with the smaller designs is that you can keep them in your purse, backpack, car, or desk at work to clean trouble spots that catch food throughout the day. This is a big plus for anyone who is wearing braces. Interdental brushes are great for all ages and a variety of situations. Whether you have spaces between your teeth, orthodontic appliances, or something like a fixed bridge. One thing to keep in mind is selecting the right size of brush. You don't want to get one that's too big and you have to force between your teeth. If you're doing it that way, it can cause more harm than good. You want one that's the perfect size for your circumstances. So during your next dental cleaning, ask your dentist or dental hygienist about getting samples of interdental brushes. They can show you which size will work best for your mouth and send you home with a few options to try. Incorporating these dental hygiene aids with your toothbrush and floss will make your mouth significantly cleaner and cut down on issues around hard to clean teeth. I'm Dr. Joyce. Smile smarter, everyone. Bye.